We all know about black holes and how their huge gravity sucks in everything around them. However, did you know that there is a theory about the existence of white holes and that they are the exact opposite of a black hole? Instead of sucking in matter, they spit it out. Very interesting. Well, a scientific theory is not a guess based on knowledge. It is an explanation of a scientific event based on scientific evidence. Moreover, while theories can be disproven or rejected, they are based on many researches. One of my favorite theories of all time is the endosymbiotic theory. If we look carefully at the structure of chloroplasts, mitochondria, and bacteria, we note that there is a big similarity between them. The study of the structure of these organelles and comparing it to the structure of bacteria allowed scientists to come up with the endosymbiotic theory to describe the origin of eukaryotic cells and how they evolved from prokaryotic cells. Let's learn more about this theory. In the endosymbiotic theory, it is believed that a large prokaryotic host cell ingested a bacterium through endocytosis, which resulted in a symbiotic relationship in which both cells benefited from each other for survival. The term endosymbiosis came from the two parts endo and symbiosis. Endo is because one organism lives inside the other, and symbiosis is because of the symbiotic relationship between the two organisms, where both are living and working together. It is believed that both mitochondria and chloroplasts were once primitive, free-living bacterial cells that were ingested by a larger bacterium that provided protection. Scientists believe that mitochondria were once aerobic bacteria, which were ingested by a larger anaerobic prokaryote to supply energy through aerobic respiration for the larger cell. The aerobic bacteria evolved over time to become mitochondria. As for chloroplasts, it is believed that they were once photosynthetic bacteria that were ingested by a larger prokaryote to photosynthesize and provide organic matter to the larger cell. The photosynthetic bacteria evolved over time to become chloroplasts. Over millions of years of evolution, mitochondria and chloroplasts have become more specialized, and today they cannot live outside the cell. So, what evidence supports the endosymbiotic theory? Simply is the structure of mitochondria and chloroplasts. In other words, both organelles resemble the structure of bacteria. Both organelles have their own DNA, which is circular, and this is very similar to bacteria. Like bacteria, both organelles have 70S ribosomes. Both have the same size and shape of bacteria. They also have a double membrane that could have formed from the original cell membrane of bacteria and a part of the host cell that was added during the endocytosis process. In addition, both organelles divide by a process similar to binary fission in bacteria. From all of this, we conclude that the endosymbiotic theory states that mitochondria and chloroplasts in today's eukaryotic cells were once separate prokaryotic cells. The story of the evolution of eukaryotic cells is far from complete. Scientists are still wondering about the other organelles in the eukaryotic cells and where did they come from. There are many ideas about their evolution, but the truth is still not complete, and how they evolved is a problem that still needs to be solved.